Ford Motorhome. Welcome back to Car Warrior 2025, your ultimate destination for the latest car and motorhome reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Ford Motorhome, a perfect blend of innovation, comfort, and power, designed for travelers who crave both adventure and luxury. Ford has completely reimagined what a motorhome can be in 2026, making it smarter, more efficient, and more comfortable than ever before. So let's take a closer look at what makes this motorhome a dream come true for road trip lovers. Exterior asterisk. The 2026 Ford Motorhome boasts a modern aerodynamic design that's not only stylish, but also improves fuel efficiency. The front fascia features Ford's signature bold chrome grille paired with sleek LED matrix headlights for excellent nighttime visibility. Its streamlined body lines and integrated side mirrors reduce wind resistance, making long drives smoother. Asterisk. On the sides, you'll find electric-powered sliding doors for easy entry, along with large panoramic windows that flood the interior with natural light. The rear design includes LED taillights and a spare wheel compartment, while the integrated roof rails allow you to mount extra cargo or even solar panels for off-grid living. The exterior also features built-in awnings that extend electronically, giving you a shaded outdoor living space wherever you park. Performance asterisk. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford Motorhome is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 hybrid engine that delivers impressive 400 horsepower and 500 pounds-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this motorhome provides smooth acceleration even when fully loaded. The hybrid system not only improves fuel economy, but also supports silent electric-only driving mode for short distances, ideal for campsites and eco-sensitive areas. Asterisk. Ford has equipped this motorhome with all-wheel drive, AWD, for enhanced traction in all weather conditions. The adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a comfortable ride whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating mountain roads. Towing capacity reaches up to 7,000 pounds, meaning you can bring along a boat, trailer, or extra equipment with ease. Interior asterisk. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious and luxurious living area. The 2026 Ford Motorhome offers premium leather seating with heating, cooling, and massage functions for the driver and passenger. The dashboard is dominated by a 15-inch infotainment touchscreen with Ford's latest SYNC5 system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation with real-time traffic updates. Asterisk. The living space includes a convertible sofa that turns into a comfortable bed, a dining area with a fold-out table, and a full kitchenette equipped with an dining area with a fold-out table, and a fold-out table, and a fold-out table, and a full kitchenette equipped with an induction cooktop, microwave, sink, and a dual-door refrigerator. The bathroom features a full shower, toilet, and modern vanity, while the bedroom offers a queen-size bed with storage underneath. Asterisk. Ambient LED lighting throughout the cabin creates a cozy atmosphere, and climate control ensures year-round comfort. Multiple USB and 110 volts outlets are strategically placed for charging all your devices. Safety features. Asterisk. Safety is a top priority in the 2026 Ford Motorhome. It comes equipped with Ford's Copilot 360 suite, including asterisk. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring with cross-traffic alert, asterisk. Forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, asterisk. 360-degree camera system for easy parking and maneuvering, asterisk. The motorhome is also equipped with tire pressure monitoring, electronic stability control, and hill start assist. In addition, Ford has included side curtain airbags and reinforced body construction for added crash protection. Prices asterisk. The 2026 Ford Motorhome starts at around $145,000 for the base model, with well-equipped trims reaching up to $185,000, depending on customization and optional packages. Buyers can choose from different layouts, interior finishes, and tech upgrades to suit their travel lifestyle. The 2026 Ford Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's your home on wheels. With its sleek design, powerful hybrid engine, luxurious interior, and advanced safety features, it's built for those who want to explore the world without sacrificing comfort. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more detailed car and motorhome insights, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Warrior 2025. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Until next time, drive safe and keep chasing the horizon.